Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Jubair Hussain speaking, and I am the GM of English Therapy. And today we are here in Mirpur Stadium. I mean, Sher Bangla National Stadium, Bangladesh Cricket Board BCB at Mirpur, and we are at outdoor class from English Therapy. And English Therapy only one institution which provide outdoor class for the students. And in outdoor class, we practice more than 1 hours. And in outdoor class, we provide a partner to each and every student to practice English for minimum 1 hour. And this in outdoor classes, we provide our student a partner to practice English. In outdoor class, the student will practice about their daily life. They will practice about the outdoor things like what they are seeing. They will practice about their partner. They will practice about everything what they are seeing now. So this is the outdoor class process, and in outdoor class our students practice more than 1 hour, and even they speak English fluently when they are talking with their partner, and their partner is also very much cooperative with them, and they are very friendly to each other. That's why every student, if you are weak student, you can join tea party or outdoor class here, because our students are very friendly, and our teachers Saiful Islam is also very friendly. In outdoor class, we provide every student a single partner to practice and to make themselves fluent in English. So I think outdoor class is very important for you all. If you want to join our English therapy class, so we will provide you the better service, and inshallah English therapy will arrange in every classes a tea party or outdoor class for students to make them fluent. And our outdoor class or tea party 100% effective for you, because in outdoor class you need to speak English fluently, and you need to discuss with your partner an unknown topic without knowing the situation, or this outdoor class is out of syllabus. So if you are coming from outdoor class and you are out of syllabus, so here you will learn the lifestyle. Here you will learn the way of speaking English in reality. And in books we read English formally, like we eat rice, we play cricket, Rohim plays cricket. This is formal English, and in this type of English we read in books, we read in a syllabus topics. So that's why this type of English learning process is not so much effective. But when you are speaking English in outdoor, you have to practice, or you have to discuss about real things and real lives. Like one passerby is passing us, we have to discuss about him. Our partner can ask us anything, and we have to answer these questions. And that's why outdoor class is very important. And in outdoor class can ensure that you are improving or you are being fluent in English. So that's why outdoor class is very much effective, and we are deciding that outdoor class will held in every classes by English therapy. English therapy is only one institution in Bangladesh who just provide outdoor class, and also our English therapy has a residential program. That means our residential students are getting the facilities of staying in English therapy for free, and their course runs for 3 months, and in these 3 months we are providing free shelter or free residence for students, and just they have to pay their meal payment or the meal dining charge, I think. In English therapy you will get a very cordial teacher like Saiful Islam sir, and in English therapy only one institution where a chief instructor conduct all classes, and he spends time with his students all over the day. From the 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. he spends all times with his students of residentials. So I would like to invite all the students who are very weak in English. And another thing, our English therapy provides the service for weak students who are very weak in English, who can't speak English well, who are not fluent in English. So I think English therapy will be your best institution for learning English, for knowing English well. So thank you so much for listening me. Now I will go to our